All right, I think this is my final confirmation test before I tear into this car. So I'm gonna start it now. We're back on the 2015 Golf TSI 1.8T. Alright, prior to start, I filled this bottle to the minimum line. Temperature, 99 degrees. Thermostat's nowhere near open. Which I think is interesting that we're already at 113 degrees. Because right now I don't believe that the cooling system is actually circulating. So at 126 degrees, thermostat's still not open. Fluid level still at the minimum line. So (132 degrees at the bottle. We're getting some pretty good bubbles. But again, we got those on the Golf R too. 135 degrees. Thermostat should be open. $137 degrees. We're getting some pretty good bubbling. We're about 5 minutes into our test, maybe close to 6. Coolant, 144 degrees. Raised about 1/4 of an inch above the minimum line. 7 minutes into our test. $150 degrees. Fluid in the bottle. Oh, now we're just seeing rapid expansion. $153 degrees. All right, so didn't make it 8.5 minutes into the test before rapid expansion. Definitely abnormal, no idea why. All right, I'm gonna be turned into this thing. I just got the video. We've dropped back down to approximately to the minimum mark, 173 degrees. And so when we had all the fluid pushed up, I heard quite a bit of gurgling back in the center of the engine and in the turbo. So can't make any assumptions right now, but if I'm gonna do a head gasket, the turbo has to come off anyway. In order to do this, you know, that would be a step in the process. So I think what I'm gonna do is just start stripping this thing down. I'm gonna pull off the turbo. If it looks like it's the turbo, then I'll consider stopping there and building it back up. But at this point, there's definitely a problem. It's definitely not normal behavior. So I think I'm convinced of that now. All right, so I'm just starting another pressure test. I just want to see with as hot as it just got, if it's going to have trouble maintaining. All right, so it's been about 15-20 minutes since I pumped this up, and I had it all the way 13, maybe a little bit higher, and it's dropped down below 9. So something's up. Definitely, you know, somewhat heat dependent. So, yep, gonna be ripping into it.